Good morning, students. Yesterday's problem, last problem, explanation. Now find the equation of the sphere passing through the points 1, -3, 4, 1, comma, -5, comma, 2, 1, comma, -3, comma, 0, and having center on the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Right? Now to get the equation of a sphere, there are only two important formulas are there. For the first one is center and radius formula. If the center and radius is given to you, then we can find the equation of a sphere passing through the center and radius formula, that is x minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square, plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to r square. This is the first fundamental formula of the equation of a sphere. The second one is diameter formula. The equation of a sphere passing through a line which is a diameter of the sphere whose endpoints are x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2, right, is equal to 0. There are the two formulas are there, right? Now here we have to find the equation of a sphere passing through 3 points and whose center lies on a plane, right? Now to get the equation of a sphere, now what is the general equation of a sphere? This is the general equation of a sphere: x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0, right? Now this is the general equation of a sphere. Now we have to find u value, v value, w value and d value. How many unknowns are there here? 4 unknowns are there, right? To get these 4 unknowns, 4 conditions we require, right? Now 3 conditions and 3 points ichadu kabatti, by substituting 3 points in the given equation you will get 3 conditions. What about the fourth condition? Fourth condition is nothing but the center of the sphere lies on a plane. That is the fourth condition. Remember, to get the sphere equation, minimum number of conditions or constraints required is 4, because the equation contains 4 unknowns. What are they? U, V, W and D, right, in general. Now see, this is the general equation of a sphere. No, first of all, what we have to do, we have to substitute the first point, right? Now before that, the important concept is we are writing the center of a sphere. Here we wrote given data, that means given point a, b, c, given plane equation. Let the general equation of a sphere be this one, right? Already clearly given that the center of this sphere lies on a plane, right? Now we are writing the center of a sphere. What is the center of a sphere formula? Minus of x coefficient by 2 comma minus of y coefficient by 2 minus of z coefficient by 2, that is equal to minus u minus v minus w from this equation. Given that this center lies on the given plane, therefore substitute x is equal to minus u, y is equal to minus v, z is equal to minus w in this equation. Now we'll get a relation like this, right? ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే you will get this relation like this. Now and the conditions are also given. The required sphere is passing through 3 points a, b, c, right? Now since the sphere is containing a, therefore point a substitute చేస్తున్నాం in the given general equation, right? Now substituting a in the general equation will get this relation, right? Similarly b also we are substituting. Next one is c. C also we are substituting. The point C we are substituting in the given equation. Now we got this relation, right? this is C. Now how many equations are there? Now there are 4 equations are there, and right, how many unknowns are there? 4 unknowns are there. Now first of all you are solving first 2 conditions. First 2 means these 2, right? You leave it this one, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, and 6 and 4, like that. Now I am solving 4 and 5. By solving 4 and 5, we will get a relation in between V and W. Again solve 5 and 6. Solve 5 and 6 means again you will get a relation between V and W. Solve these 2 equations, you will get either V value or W value. Ikkada V are eliminating V, therefore we got W value. Substitute W value in this above, either in equation 8 or 7, you will get V value. After getting V and W values, substitute those values in this equation, equation number 3. You will get U value, right? Now after getting U, V, W values, substitute in equation number 4 or 5 or 6, whatever it may be, right? You will get D value, right? Now you know U value, V value, W value and D value. Substitute those values in the general equation of a plane, in the general equation of a sphere. You will get the required sphere equation. Substitute chesam, got the equation, right? Now, and next one is, today's homework is this problem and tomorrow's homework is this problem, right? Again, find the equation of a sphere passing through 3 points and having its center on the plane, right? Same as just now we have discussed now, same as this above problem only, right? Next, obtain the sphere having center on a line and passing through the points. Only 2 points are given here. See, remember here how many conditions are there? 2 conditions. This is the line equation which is in unsymmetrical form. That is called unsymmetrical form. Now if you close this one, you will get one condition. If you close this one, you will get another condition. 2x minus 3y is equal to 0 is one equation, and 5y plus 2z is equal to 0 another equation. Simply we have to find center of the sphere and substitute in this equation. You will get an relation, and the same center we have to substitute in another equation. This is right, this is the equation. Then you will get another relation in U, V and W and D, right? Or U, V, W only. Now after that you have to substitute this point and this point. You will get 4 conditions. Solving those 4 conditions, you will get U, V, W and D values, right? After getting those values, simply substitute those values in the general equation of a plane. We will get the required sphere equation. Today try to solve this problem only, first problem only, right? Now next, page number 20.